Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you entry number 16 in my 8,000 plus subscriber giveaway. This entry comes from Blessed Hands Arts and Crafts. So thank you very much for sending in your entry. I really appreciate it. So she sent me this beautiful entry and I love the packaging. It's so sweet. And a card. So I'm going to open this card up so we can see what it says. Okay, it's so pretty. Look at those shoes, and I love the dress form and the little purse and the hat. It says hello and it's pink. So really beautiful work. Thank you so much. I'm going to read it and see what it says. It says, congratulations. Wish you more success in YouTube and in your personal life. So glad that I was able to enter. Hope you like it. Sincerely. I think this says Damaris, and she just puts in parentheses Mabel. I don't want to share your last name. So thank you so much. And I'm going to open up your card, your memory decks card, so everyone can see how it looks up close and personal. So it says live every day with intention. Very great sayings, and I just love this fashionista girl with the little hat boxes, and the dog is so adorable. I'll set that right there. So her name is Mabel. Blessed Hands Arts and Crafts is her YouTube name. Her birthday is in April. Not ashamed of her age. So, okay, she loves the color green. She loves dragonflies and dress forms. She's clean and simple crafting. And she likes to make embellishments. She loves dogs. Her Instagram name is Blessed Hands and Arts. Okay, so thank you very much for this beautiful entry. I love the colors. Everyone is just so creative, and all the entries are different, and no one has made anything exactly alike. So I just love all these entries and how everyone is making theirs. So beautiful work. It's just pretty. I just love it. So thank you so much for your entry. The entries are still rolling in. So, yeah. Very creative. I think this is like washi tape. It looks like she's walking on a carpet, like a red carpet or something. So, yeah, to everyone, thank you for everyone that sent in an entry or plans to send one in. The deadline is approaching. So these videos will finally stop unless I just get a boatload of them at the last minute. So, okay, take care everyone. Have a fabulous day.